Demonstrate how to make a thermocouple. Basically, you get a thermocouple wire which you actually pre-cut to whatever length you want, and then you take two dissimilar wires, the thermocouple, whether it's a K, J type, whatever other type. You twist the wires as I'm doing it over here. You twist it, tap it in, then you take and you cut. Okay, now basically, thanks to my plasma spot welder, it becomes very easy to actually make it. Machine has been pre-adjusted already to particular level. I just bring next to my tungsten needle, press the button, and there you go. And it has taken 3 seconds, and voila, there is a perfect thermocouple made. Now, what is thermocouple? Thermocouple is basically a device, two dissimilar metals bonded, like you see it over here. They are, with the machine, they are bonded perfectly, and you cannot break it. You can cut it, but you won't break it. And now, you just attach a copper wires running into your instrument that is capable of measuring the temperature, tap it in. And you get the accuracy of 0.01% in some cases with a thermocouple. And that is how you basically make and spot weld the actual thermocouple. It looks very simple technology, but it's a basic physics, but highly accurate. Thank you for watching Thermocouple in making with Batos Radio and TV. Thank you.